Hey guys, so welcome back to Comfy Cozy Up. This is week 2. So guys, today is actually 11. So my footage from day 8, 9, and 10 accidentally got deleted. So it's gonna look like, so I just have to give you the rundown. So basically, I'm reading off my journal. So I have all my notes. So on day 8, I got to 21 100 word for a day, which was a good count. And that pulled me over the 15,000 mark. Day 9 was not that good because day 9, I had a lot of errands to run that day and I had to get some winter stuff, some winter boots and a bag. And by the time I got home, I was exhausted. So I went to sleep. Literally, guys, it was supposed to be a 3-hour nap turned into 7. I woke up at 11:30 p.m. So by the time I got to a computer and typed, literally, guys, 251 words. Yeah, not happy because that was not the plan. But, when your body says get rest, get rest. So that pulled me, still was in the 15,000 mark. It was like 15,429 words. So I was like, ugh. So yesterday, I just basically decided I need to try and make up for the previous day. I thought I was going to do at least 4,000 words. I was really aiming for 5, but I only got 31.99. So that pulled me to 18,628 words. So now that's closer to 20,000 because the whole point I wanted over the weekend is to get to 20K. So right now I am, I've written over 1,000 words. So I'm a little under 400, to get to the 20K today, but I'm aiming for 21 at least. So I am going to try and at least do 2,000 words this week. And then on the weekend, again, I need to get over to at least 35K by the end of the week. That's what I want. So yeah, my throat. So anyway, guys, that's where we at with this. Yeah, how's your progress? Let me know. Hey guys, so this is day 12. So I am fighting to get to the 25. I am about um uh 1800 away from it, but I've written 1800 words today. So I'm in interesting numbers. Anyway, I've been committed to doing at least 2,000 words a day, so I'm gonna write a couple more, add some more to this particular scene that I'm doing, and then call it a night. So it's not gonna get me to. I won't hit 25 till after tomorrow, which is not bad. I'm ahead, so I have to remind myself. But I find that when I look at other people's progress, I'm kind of like, oh, I should be there, and I'm like, no, it's my progress. I need to focus on my progress and not someone else's speed, because my story is a journey, and it's gonna take me longer because of the characters and how complicated the relationship are and how certain scenes are not easy for me to write because I kind of feel feel a little vulnerable when I write certain things. So I'm kind of like, oh God, let me tap into that side of me that know I can write it because I write it privately in my journals, but it's just like when you write certain things and other people are gonna read it, it just makes you feel a little uncomfortable. So I'm like, I need to get past that and just write and just go with it. So that's where I'm at. I also been neglecting a lot of things because I've been paying attention to journaling. I've been journaling every day, and I love the prompts, and I love watching other people's Insta story for the journaling and their photos. But I have not been good on returning people calls, and I got called out today by my own mother, who left me a message a few days now, and I didn't respond, and I totally forgot. I mean, it wasn't a dire situation, but at the same time, it's my mother, and I always respond to her. So I felt so bad, and also another one of my friend has called twice, and I just realized I did not return the call. It's like when I start writing, I don't want to stop. I feel like when my mind is in a zone, I just want to continue, and I feel like if I stop I might lose, you know, whatever I was thinking at that moment. So it's like and I tell myself, oh, when I'm done, I'll call back, or when I'm done, I'll text back. And it just never happens. So I don't know if that happened to you guys when you write. You know, let me know. So that's where I'm at now, and I'm gonna just, you know, write a little bit more and just deuces for the day until tomorrow. Yeah. So guys, I am making cauliflower pizza. So that's my cauliflower that is ready to be mixed up. So I'm gonna put in Parmesan cheese. I got my eggs and some really good for what am I doing? Oh, oregano. I can't even speak today. So yeah. So I have these seasoning, and of course that. Yep. So guys, that is the finished pizza. My cauliflower pizza from scratch. Yeah. Yum yum. So we are in day number 14. Yeah. So I haven't written anything yet. It is 4:24. So it's my first time writing for the day. Again, I've been sleeping. Don't know why. But it's like I set my alarm clock to get up and write a certain time. Don't work out that way. So, but I'm okay because I am over 25K. So I'm hoping to write another 2,000 words today. I would love to put in like 2,500. This way by tomorrow I will hit the 30 mark. That's what I'm hoping. But we don't know. So I'm gonna write a little, and then I'm gonna take on this NaNoWriMo writing sprint that's happening on YouTube. Um, I've been doing these writing sprints sometimes. I don't know why. It's like being in public, because like I said before, I prefer writing in public, like in cafes and all that, and during the week I write at home, so I don't really get to be outside as much, and I feel like I don't get to push myself. So this particular writing stream that I want to I'm gonna just watch and do their sprint when they do their sprint and see. I did it once, and I think I did. I was like an hour. I didn't do the whole 2 hour, and I got in probably about 700 or 800 words, and I actually liked it. It wasn't bad. It's a good distraction, because I'm like one of those person that likes a little bit of distraction when I'm writing. It just jogs certain things in my mind, and when I'm writing, where I'm thinking, where I'm trying to figure something out, something will happen, and it would just jog. I don't know. It's weird, but I like a little bit of distraction, which is probably why I like coffee shops. So yeah, but this is what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna, I like her. It's her channel. She's pretty cool. I watch her, a lot. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So today, 1893. So not bad. So as you can see, I've been trying to get to the 2000 a day. Didn't quite today or yesterday or the day after. I was closer yesterday, 1967. So, but I'm happy. 27, 145. Yeah. And then tomorrow I am going to try and hit the 30. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Because I usually try to make Friday my editing day, so I don't want to have new material to edit. So, so far, liking it. I'm liking the sprint. As you can see, it does help. I utilize it, and I was able to write while I joined the crew and everybody else that was in the sprint, doing the NaNoWriMo. Overall, yes, I'm at a really good part in the book. And I am, waiting to get to this other, it's kind of like having this half and half situation in the book, where it might end up being a part one, part two transition, because the last character is getting to that adult stage of making these adult decisions, and some of these decisions are going to affect the entire family. So we'll see how that works. So yeah, and how you guys doing? Sorry, it's the phone. How you guys did this week? What was your motivation, and if you're struggling, how you getting through it? So that's where I'm going. I'm going to end this vlog with my word of the day, which is perseverance, and it is definitely a good word for the day. So I'm going to end it with that, and thanks for watching, guys.